This is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I'm going to demonstrate you can connect this device to VPN. So to begin with, let's download the free Play Store app that will allow us to do so. That is called Turbo VPN. Here it is. Now let's wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively, which, as you will see now, does not take a lot of time at all. Alrighty, let's go ahead and launch it. Here tap at the green continue button, then we'll need to skip the ad over here. Yep, no ad this time, whatever. So once you're ready to set up the VPN connection, just tap at this little caret icon over here, tap on OK, and just like that we have successfully connected our smartphone to VPN, as you can see by this little key icon at the status bar. Once connected, you can change the server or even the country that your VPN is connected to at the moment. Some of the servers and countries are only available at the paid version of the app, but the free of charge instance is good enough, if you'd ask me. Provide you with quite a choice of servers and countries, so I think it will be enough for most people. As you can see, the server and country was successfully changed. And finally, if you're ready to disconnect from VPN, just tap at the cross sign over here, choose the disconnect option, and that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.